My name's Phil Poirier. I'm the owner of Bonny Doon Engineering. We build hydraulic presses and tooling for the jewelry industry. We want to be able to fill all the jeweler's needs. There's so many different realms of jewelry forming. So a lot of it has to do with what are the applications. You want to pick the best press for your applications. It was designed to be very simple. We want to keep things simple so you're more efficient. You'll be hard pressed to, no pun intended. Each hydraulic press has its benefits. Our presses are welded by a certified welder, but also the way the welds are laid into place are engineered specifically for maximum strength. There are some presses that might be assembled where you're screwing and bolting things together. Each one of those connections, there's a little bit of looseness, there's a little bit more flex. If the press is flexible, then a lot of your force is being dissipated by the flex of the press. It's like trying to hammer something while you're holding it in the air. It's not efficient. You put it on a nice rigid anvil and you'll get much more efficiency that way. Contained springs are a very important safety factor. If you have springs that are exposed, simplest problems would be you might get your fingers pinched in them. The worst case scenario, though, is extension springs can fail. When they fail, they can fail catastrophically. So this could maim you, hurt you, injure you. It could be quite bad. So every one of our presses have springs that are fully contained. For some reason, a lot of people think that the Bonny Doon press is more expensive than all the other presses. But in fact, if you compare it, it's actually less expensive, considerably, because we include the RAM, the high quality, top grade RAM, with all of our presses. You don't have to go buy that separately. You as a jeweler, you should be able to complete your project with no problem whatsoever. Anything you can imagine can be accomplished using a Bonny Doon press.